Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can recover your recently deleted Google account or Gmail. First of all, you have to get to Google Help and write down on Google search recover Google accounts, which will take you to this document. Here, in case you have deleted your account, so you don't no longer have your access to your account and you want to recover a deleted account or a Google account, then simply click here and click on recover your account. Here, as you can see, if you delete it, you have to follow the steps to recover your account, which will take you here. Now, I have deleted an account recently, as you can see, account deleted. And now I'm gonna write down here the account email. So let's do that. So I'm gonna write it down, click on next, and here, this account has recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. So I'm going to click on next, and here they are going to ask me to write down the password. So let's write down the password real quick. And as you can see here, I can click on next, and the account should be recoverable. Here, let me just keep it in English. Operation successful, and you have successfully cancelled the deletion of your account. You have entered your current password. You can now process or access your Google account. You can always change the password if you wish. And just like that, we have done the job. So thank you guys a lot for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And see you guys in the next video.